Welcome to DIY Yolande. I hope you enjoy this video. As you can see here, my kitchen and bathroom are a hot mess. But guess what we'll turn it into? We'll turn it into this. Welcome to DIY Yolande. As you've read by the title of this video, we're doing a kitchen and bathroom clean with me. I did a poll on my Instagram and 89% I said yes to clean with me, so here we are. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that red subscribe button. Enjoy! So while my husband is busy installing this shelf in the shower, to clean the kitchen. Here is an overview of my kitchen. Today we're just doing dishes, wiping down surfaces and mopping the floor. We will not do a deep clean today. I always recycle and reuse glass jars like these. They come in very handy. I bought this Lacy Susan from Galma and it was less than 100 rand. I do wish it was bigger though. Comment down below. I'd also love to know if you move your fridge when sweeping. I've mopped the kitchen. Now we're heading off to the bathroom. The mirror has marks, the shelves are dusty, and while the shower is dirty and grimy. But I'll be honest with y'all, I actually left the shower to be in this state because I actually just wanted to do one video focused solemnly on cleaning your bathroom. But then I decided, let me just merge these two videos and create a kitchen and a bathroom video. My bathroom cleaning items is Domestos, Mr. Muscle, shower cleaner, Mr. Sheen, my favorite, it's the all-purpose clean, gloves, scrubbing brush, and yes, an old toothbrush. It is essential, guys, for cleaning your shower. A toothbrush helps to get into those grooves and into those crevices. I clean my mirrors with Mr. Sheen all-purpose cleaner and a newspaper. Okay, now let's clean what many people do not like, but I do. Yeah, I actually enjoy cleaning the toilet. Remember I put Domestos and Harpic in the toilet? I let it sit for a good 6 to 10 minutes and I scrub. If you get inspired by anything I do on my channel, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And we're done cleaning. Thank you for getting this far in this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and follow your girl on Instagram at yolande_ntsele, and drop me a DM on what else you would like to see on this channel. Till then, see you next time. Peace.